Brayden, talk to Trinity some more.
You think brother's so funny.
Trinity, you love your brother, don't you?
Yeah.
Brayden, can you say tweet, tweet, tweet?
You think Brayden is funny.
Cough it up. Cough up the hairball.
It's getting a little bit too thick.
Oh, and just so everybody knows, Brayden is not wearing diapers again. He's just wearing pull-ups.
Because he's wet the bed too.
He's been wetting the bed. He's fully potty trained, but at night he has a little trouble. Ow, Brayden, that's Daddy's operated knee. Thanks. Oh, ow.
Hey Brayden, get off Daddy. That's ouchie.
Say, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Dance.
Hey, Brayden, look at the camera.
Dance.
Are you dancing? Can you
Dance,
dance? Hey, Brayden, can you dance and clap?
Clap. Good.
Hey, Brady.
Brayden, can you give the baby a kiss? Brayden, give the baby a kiss.
Hey, Brayden, can you say I love you, baby?
Yes, baby.
Good job.
Yes.
Hey, Brayden, say bye-bye. Oh my gosh, you're crazy, monkey.